internet lines went down.
I don't know, but look at that squirrel. Whoa. Look at all this damage down here. Some dog walkers. Wow. Some tree limbs down here.
Florida is a sunshine state. So let's give solar power the green light with a Midland One. A Midland One is good for the environment, good for consumers.
I bet radio ads are at a premium right now.
Yeah, I wonder if there's a law against inflating prices of radio ads during a storm like this for gas. There's some limbs down
Well,
here.
at the same time, maybe it's fewer because less people are in their car.
That's true.
That's probably where most of the radio listening is done.
The good news is I don't see any real damage, just like tree limbs down here and there.
That's what I wanted to say earlier. It didn't quite come out.
God, why do these trees have red ribbons around them? Are they prone to falling down? I hear a little kid running around. Go home, kid. It's dangerous out here. Nice dog. That's giving me the evil eye.
Our 18-year-old is in an accident. When I call USA, that voice asking me, is your daughter okay? That's when I felt relief. It actually helped to know that somebody else cared and wanted to make sure that I was okay. That was really great.
Experience USA is very focused on family.
USA took care of her car rental and getting her car towed. All I had to
Lots
take
of
care
road
of was
debris.
making sure that
The
my
pond
daughter
is
was
really
okay. So
flooded.
to me,
Look at
that
that.
was just wonderful.
We're the
Wow.
Rivera family, and we go be USAA for life. USAA, we know what it means to serve.
Debris.
Call today to talk about your insurance needs. 800-531-USAA.
Member paid for their participation. Membership eligibility and product restrictions applied are subject to change. United Services Automobile Association and its affiliates in San Antonio, Texas.
All right, so I think our community survived the storm.